Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add threads in Instagram bio. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. Once opened, you have to click on your profile on the bottom right corner. As you can see on my profile, there is no threads button or there is no any link to my threads. What I will do, I will click on my edit profile. From here you will see a new option called show threads badge. I will turn the toggle on. Once the toggle is on, I will go back. From here you will see a threads badge just below the name of my Instagram. If I click on it, a pop-up window will appear. As you can see, I haven't downloaded the Threads application. If you have already downloaded the Threads app, you will be redirected to the Threads app. As I do not have any Threads app, so I will click on Get Threads app. My app store will open. I will click on install the Threads app and make an account with the Threads, and after doing everything, if I click on this badge button, my Threads will open and people can basically follow me. And that's how to add threads in Instagram bio. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.